Hello students, welcome back to your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. As we yesterday studied the continued proportion, as in that already you know that now, if the we have the three quantities such that the ratio of the first to second is equals to the ratio of second to third, then we can say that such a quantity is called as continued proportion. What in that the middle term is called as the mean proportion, okay, between the first and second, and the third term of is called as the third proportional to the first and second. So in that a is to b and c, so a b c, these are the three quantities. A is to b and b is to c, this is in the proportional form. So in that b is in the mean term, okay, mean proportion is b, and a and c, these are the for that it is the continue, okay, it is mean proportional to a and c, and c is the third proportional to the a and b, okay, c is third proportional and b is mean proportional. So in that such way, question number next is that solve example, okay. So in that what you have to find out, you have to find out the mean proportional between 3 and 27. So now you first of all tell me what is mean proportional. Mean proportional means what? A is to b is to in proportion b is to c. So here in middle number is the mean proportion. So 3 and 27 is the, suppose this is 3 and this is 27, so you have to find out the b, okay. So b you have to find out. So b means what? Middle term. So we can consider this, let the mean proportion is b, let mean proportion is what? B. B x, consider that x is there. So what will, how the proportional sign will come? Continue proportion how will come? 3 is to x in proportion with x is to 27, and mean proportion is x. So how we are solving this? 3 upon x equals to x upon 27. Therefore 3 multiply 27 is equals to x multiply x. Therefore 7 3s are 21, 1 2 get carry, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 81 is equals to x square. Therefore x is equals to 9. Yes or no? 81 is the square of 9. Or we can solve this by this way also. Product of means equals to product of extreme. Product of means is equals to product of extreme. Formula you write, then solve. How will solve that? Product of means what? X multiply x is equal to 3 multiply 27. Okay, so therefore x square is equals to 81. Therefore x is equals to 9. Understand why 9 we are written? Because this x square is the, this is square number, x square it is x square, and 9 square is 81, okay. So in this way, so therefore the mean proportion is proportion is x is equals to 9. Understand? Now students, one thing I want to tell you that on this proportional, so question may how the question may come. So which type of question may come? First is what? These 25, 35 and x are in the continued proportion, find out the value of x. So this is continued proportion, means this is the absent, okay. Next type of example is what? Find the third proportional. Third proportional means also last one, okay, that also you know. Mean proportion means middle number, okay, which is x. And suppose like this also, some examples, x is there, find out the x, find out the fourth proportional number, like the question may come. So let me see the example number next. Just open your textbook and see the example number 5, which is there on page number 137. And just see that if the first three numbers of the proportion are, first three number of the proportional are how? 11, 10 and 55, then fourth find fourth proportional. Okay, find fourth means first number is 11 is to 10 in proportion with 55 is to fourth, we have to find out. So consider fourth as a x. Understand? So fourth will consider as a x. So what will come? So we have to find out the value of x. How will find out? As same as like you saw, product of means is equals to product of extreme. Okay, means is what? 10 and 55 is the means. So 10 multiply 55 is equals to 11 multiply x. So what? 10 multiply 55 upon 11 is equals to x. X has to 11 will shift as. Then 11 on 11, 11 5 are 55. So 10 multiply 5 is equals to x. Therefore x is equals to 50. Therefore fourth proportion equals to 50. Understand? So in this way we will try to solve. Understand? I hope you understand the questions type and what we have to do it. So like that example number 6, 7, 8, 9 that you try to do. Don't think so it is solved example. So how why there is need of doing. Okay. So question number is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. That has to be done. Now next question exercise. We'll start the exercise 8.2. In that question number 1 and question number 2 already I explained you based on the proportional concept. Now third question is that same. Question number third is that same. Fourth, whatever the example I explained right now, based on that your fourth example is third. Question number third is there. What is that? Question number third, find the fourth proportional. Open your textbook exercise and write down it. What is? Find the fourth proportional. Okay, so in that, see first example is what? Example number 1, 19, 38 and 11, and fourth number is not missing. It is missing. It is that we have to find out. So we'll have to see there. Let the fourth proportional be x. जो fourth proportional है वो अपन x consider करेंगे. So how will come this? Will write, how will write 19 is to 38 in proportion with 11 is to x. And now you know how to do it. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. Product of means 38 multiply 11 is equals to x multiply 19. And don't think so here answer will come definitely, because they're easy to calculate. Okay, so don't need to tension. So therefore x is equals to 38 multiply 11 and this 19 will go this side. So upon 19, 19 1 is 19, 19 2 is 38. Therefore x is equals to 2 multiply 11. Therefore x is equals to 22. Therefore fourth proportional equals to 22. Understand? See example second, third and fourth how to do it. Already fourth proportional be x. I am writing in shortcut. You need to write in proper way. Okay. So fourth proportional in x means what? 63 is to 105 in proportion with 18 is to x. Same thing. Okay. Then what? Product of means is equals to product of extreme. Means is what? 105 multiply 18 is equals to 63 multiply x. Okay, so therefore x is equals to 105 multiply 18 upon 63. No need to solve this, and there is possibility to cutting. Okay, so that we have to find out what is the possibility to cut. So 3 2s are 3 1s are, and 3 6 are 18. Okay, now next is what? 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 23. Now here 7 and that is possibility to do. How many 7s are 105? 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 3 is bring down, so it become 35, 7 5s are 35, so 15 7s are 105. So what is there next? X is equals to 15 multiply 2, that's equals to 30. So what is your fourth proportion? That is 30 is the answer. So same is here, 36 is to 92 in proportion with 45 is to x. Okay, so x product of means is equals to product of extreme. 92 multiply 45 is equals to 36 multiply x. Therefore x is equals to 92 multiply 45 upon 36. Therefore x is equals to cutting 9 5s are 9 4s are. Okay, then what? 2 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 is bring down, 4 3s are 12. So here is 23 multiply 5, that is x. Therefore x is equals to 5 3 is a 15, 5 1 get carry, 5 2 is a 10 plus 1 11, 115. Okay, this is your answer. So 25 is to 15 in proportion with 65 is to x. So product of means is equals to product of extreme. So 15 multiply 65 is equals to 25 multiply x. So what, x is equals to 15 multiply 65 upon 25. 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 3 is 15. So therefore x is equals to 3 multiply 13. Therefore x is 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 30. Okay. So in this way we had to solve these questions. Student, question number 4, in what is the question number 4? The second, third and fourth term of the proportionals are. So first is missing. So first proportion be x. Okay, so x is 2, second is what, 35 in proportion with 48 is to 60. Second, third, fourth is given. First we have to find out. So solve now. You know how to solve. Okay, product of means is equal to product of existing and find the value of x. Question number 5, find the first, second and fourth terms of the proportion are given, respectively find the third term. So what is given? See, first, second and fourth. First is 32, 112 is second, and third is x, and fourth is what, 217. And find out the third term. So what, 32 is to 112 in proportion with x is to 217, and find out the value of x. Same product of means is equals to product of extreme, and solve the value of x. Okay, in the same way like this. Question number 6. Okay students, try to solve this two examples. Okay, and remaining examples you complete in notebook. And question number 6, in that first example is what, show that 16 84 and 441 are in proportion. So what you have to do it, so it is continuous proportion, only three numbers are given, so it is continuous proportion. Are they there or not? Means 16 is to 8 is to 8 is to 4 4 1, that you have to find out. Okay, if it is not, then verify it is. Next is question number 2, in that word find the value of x. So 25 x and 49. So x means what, that you have to find out, it is continuous proportion. And third is what, if x, find the value of x, and there is what, x is 36 and 27. So here is x is to 36 is to 36 is to 27. Find the value of x in that. Okay, so try to do it first. If it is not, you are able to solve, I will give you the answers. But till that, question number 4 and 5, do it. All the best, stay on, stay safe, bye.